for being here on time. 11 o'clock was the time and we are all here. Before we start with the proceedings, I would like to share something with you. Some incident of my life. In 2002, after I finished my graduation, I received a scholarship to study in Oxford University, London. Obviously, I was very excited. No one who wouldn't, right? I was excited because my family was not in the good condition financially. I thought that I would study there, make a living there, and maybe support people over here. Alright, I packed my bags, very excited, reached there on the airport. I was very pleased because I could see a lot proper clean streets, proper cars parked at proper places, all the services available. Great. I took a cab and reached my dormitory. They call hostel as dormitory there. Okay, so I reached my dormitory there. The first thing I observed that our dormitory, now when I say our, we had a separate dormitory of all the Eastern countries students. That includes Indians, Bangladeshis, Sri Lankans, Pakistanis, not Chinese, they had the separate thing, everyone else. This kind of hurt me, that because our dormitory was outside the university campus. Kind of hurt me, but it's okay, manageable till now. Next day, 2 days later, we started to, again, we as in all these country students, we started to attend the college. First day itself, I noticed that we are being discriminated. First day itself. We were considered, we were called names. This went on for the entire trimester. We had trimester system there. We were called names as in, even in 2002, I am telling you, 2002, not pre-independence, in 2002. We were called names like darkies, third world students, poor students, and in some cases, even dogs. The professors, they were okay with us. I mean, it was not an open discrimination, not academic wise at least, that I can assure you, but there was discrimination. There was discrimination in their behavior. I mean, I can, if at all I make sense. Once a professor gave a treat and we were asked to order anything from the restaurant cafe, and the professor commented, "Mukesh, you don't order hot dog." I said, "Why?" He said, "Because that would be cannibalism." I literally had tears in my eyes that day, but we could not. Okay, that went on. But still, I was happy. Why is that? Because the university also gave us a job to sustain our living. I mean, we had scholarship which paid for the tuition fees of college, but still the hostel fees, the conveyance, we had to take care of. So I did a job. I had a job of as a pizza delivery boy in Pizza Hut. I had a job there, and it was okay because I was making very good money, actually very good money, and in spite of spending for the hostel expenses, for everything, I could send money here to help my family here. My father was not doing that good that time, so help my family here. Okay, things were good, and we can say that every time we entered the college campus, our self-confidence was shattered to the ground. Every day, and this happened every day, but we were still happy because we were making money. That was good. Fine. First trimester passed. Then there were, even street gangs who would oppose me all. Street gangs. We had to always walk in a group so not to be bullied. First trimester passed. In the beginning of the second trimester, I got a order to deliver a pizza in the university campus, some dormitory inside the university campus, and it was implied that students there would be the local. Okay, so I was pretty scared because if I put it in proper words, I was scared that they might even beat up. I was scared, but still, money matters. I went there to deliver the pizza. They were, it was ordered by a few of my, not classmates, college mates, seniors. Okay, well, I was terrified, obviously. I rang the bell, and surprisingly, they actually greeted me very well and welcomed me inside and asked me to sit there. I said, okay, fine. Obviously, again, I was trembling. I said that. They gave me a sum to solve. It was a definite integration sum. Amit sir, you would understand. It was a definite integration sum. I solved the sum, took the tip and left. We work for the tips. That is the thing. Left. When I was just leaving, I overheard them talking to each other. One person said to the other that how did you know that he would be able to solve the sum? The other replied, he is an Indian. All Indians are genius. So, from that day onwards, I never felt any of the bullying from there, never got insulted because I understood why are these people, the bully is the biggest, bully is more frightened from inside. I could see the fear in them. You know what fear? I would put it in Hindi, कि अगर हमने इनको ज़्यादा छूट दी ना ये हमारे सर पे चढ़ के बैठेंगे. Because we can rule them. Okay, and that is what happened. Though we go there for the money, you will get, I can tell you, the grass is greener on the other side. Okay? Pratik sir, you can relate, right? The grass is greener on the other side. You can go there for money, you will earn a lot of money. But for happiness, you have to come here. You can never get happiness there. And I can assure you, from my personal experience. Okay? I wanted to share this incident. Thank you very much.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नाम